guys, it's me, Jennifer. We are here at Pig Shake. Today I would like to mix you one of my favorite gin cocktail, the Gin Fizz. I recommend you to use it with Falco Gin, one of the newest gin from Switzerland. I love this gin because of its unique and fresh taste. What makes it the most unique is the aromas of dried mangoes, peppery note in it, and the freshness of orange zest. So let's say we start. Gin Fizz is one of a classic cocktail, really simple to do. It's made of gin. Today we use the Falco Gin, of course. I prefer 50 ml instead of 40 ml. A little bit of sugar syrup. We take 20 ml. Then a little bit of citrus. I prefer Bergamot Juice. We'll take 25 ml of it. And for the frothiness, a little bit of Eggwhite. Let's say 15 ml. A little bit of bitters. It's optional. And let's give it a good shake. After shaking the drink, we strain it to the cup. For the garnish, let's take fresh orange zest, perfume the glass, fresh oranges of course to enhance the aroma of Falco Gin. And because I love roses, edible roses is always perfect for a cocktail.